Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with 2 safety steps. Be on an administrator account and make a system restore point so you can undo changes. Once done, export the Explorer registry key as a backup. That preserves your current taskbar settings. Next, download Explorer Patcher, the lightweight tool that restores classic taskbar features Windows 11 removed. Make sure to get the official release, then run the installer as administrator. This puts the customization engine into Explorer, so you can change orientation. Once installed, open Explorer Patcher's settings from the tray. You'll see a taskbar section immediately. Then, change orientation to left to make the taskbar vertical on the left side. Choose right if you prefer the other side. Make sure to tweak icon size, spacing, and auto-hide so the vertical layout fits your workflow. Apply changes and allow Explorer to restart. The new layout takes effect quickly. If icons overlap, change icon size or toggle auto-hide to restore clarity. Finalize by pinning your frequent apps and arranging them top to bottom. This makes the vertical bar efficient. Make sure to test context menus and shortcuts so nothing feels broken. If a Windows update resets the taskbar, reinstall Explorer Patcher as administrator or reapply the orientation in its settings. That usually fixes post-update regressions. As a last resort, uninstall the tool or restore the system restore point you made earlier. That returns Windows 11 to its original, supported taskbar state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.